Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, TSI, SE 95 PS. The car's looking great and it has the top spec, including front and rear parking sensors, a city emergency brake, hill hold control, an anti-lock braking system, an automatic post-collision brake, and these 15-inch Salou alloy wheels. Now the boot's a good size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a composition media system, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.